So this recipe was made by accident. I was actually going for something completely different, but it didn't work as I expected it to go. And then I wanted to just not waste the food that I made, so I just tweaked some things and I ended up with creamy hazelnut tarts that turned out to be really delicious, and I thought it's worth to even share them with you in the video. So here we are. The recipe is really great and pretty easy to make, so without further ado, let's get straight into it, shall we? We will start off by soaking 1 cup of cashews for about 8 hours or overnight. When the cashews are ready, strain them and place them in a cup of a blender. Then we will squeeze the lemon juice from 1 big lemon or 2 smaller ones. We need about 100 milliliters of the juice. Then we will add the lemon juice to the cashews alongside with 100 milliliters of plant-based milk and 1 tablespoon of date syrup. Then we will blend it all up until it's very creamy. It can take 5 to 10 minutes depending on your blender, so be patient. Then we will start making the base for the tarts. We will need 180 grams, which is about 1 cup of hazelnuts. We will blend them up into a hazelnut flour. You can also buy it ready in the shop if you prefer or you don't have a blender, but I do buy my hazelnuts without packaging to avoid plastic, and I just blend them myself. We will place the hazelnut flour in the bowl and add 60 grams, which is about 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 40 grams, which is 4 tablespoons of arrowroot powder, 45 grams, so about 3 tablespoons of water, and a small pinch of salt. Then we will mix it all well using our hands, and then we will transfer it into mini tart forms. I am using 6 mini tart forms that have about 10 centimeters diameter and 2 centimeters height, and into each form goes about 50 grams of the hazelnut base. Using the spoon, we will spread it all evenly and let it bake for about 15 to 20 minutes in the oven in 180 degrees Celsius on conventional settings. And then take them out of the oven carefully and let them cool off a bit. When you're ready to serve, pour your cashew cream inside each tart and decorate with some frozen or fresh fruits and mint. Those tarts are a combination of a crusty base and a creamy filling, which I think makes this dessert really great, really delicious. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and also comment down below what you thought of this recipe. If you ever try to make this or any other of my recipes, I would be really grateful if you can share the photos on Instagram and tag me ReShape_official. I really love to see your twist on my recipes, so don't forget to do that. And also, if you're interested, the full breakdown to this recipe is already up on my website alongside with a free PDF that you can download for a future reference. And also follow me on Instagram because I post more there almost every day, so you can be up to date and also have access to more recipes, so don't miss out on that. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next one.